So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she ain't got a bond.
Pardon?
Why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law?
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that. I just want to state it. Okay.
stated.
It's on record, right? Okay.
Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's
Brat came into the courtroom acting like she was above everyone. She even shouted at Judge Simpson, demanding to know why she wasn't being released, forgetting the fact that she was arrested for assault. The arrogance in her voice made it sound like rules didn't apply to her. But Judge Simpson stayed calm and professional when most judges would have lost their cool. Now the real question is, should she be let out or stay right where she is? Let's watch what happens.
This is Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Ms. Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor, punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation, in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mm-hmm.
The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time you,
I served 30 days already.
and if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim as well.
And the monetary amount,
Besides,
5,000, 10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that.
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
So
Okay.
what do we?
People like this confuse me. If you're charged with assault, the smart thing to do is get a lawyer or at least ask for a public defender, not scream at the judge. That's the worst move you could make. She acted like a spoiled child having a meltdown, and honestly, even little kids act better than this. The truth is, entitlement like this isn't just irritating. It's risky. She's already facing an assault charge, and the way she talks to the judge shows how out of touch with reality she is. And the scary part? People like her are everywhere, in traffic, in stores, standing next to you at the gym, just waiting for a moment to snap. Court is supposed to be a place of order, but she tried to turn it into a joke. That says a lot about how she was raised. On the flip side, Judge Simpson deserves real credit. He handled it calmly, showing patience that most judges don't have. Honestly, he's in my top 3 judges right now. Compared to others, his patience and control are on another level. This just proves how common entitlement has become these days. It feels like more and more people think yelling will get them out of trouble.
What do you want this set for, ma'am?
Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. I guess.
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it gotta go to trial, then it gotta go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or not? Trial?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury, fine, that's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out. But she just said it was no bond.
Post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Cause you just asked her the same thing. Cause she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by parody. The whole
That's-
McDonald's thing and then this. And
This-
I'm honestly looking forward to Brett's trial, because if this hearing was any preview, the trial itself is going to be chaos. I'm betting she's going to serve the full 90 days. She's already done 30, so that leaves about 2 months. And frankly, every single day she spends in jail is one less day she can cause problems for others. Even if she somehow avoids a full sentence, her behavior alone made this hearing painful to watch. At one point, she even glared at her old lawyer, like it was her fault she ended up behind bars. Reality check. It wasn't the lawyer. She's there because she assaulted someone. Cases like this show why the justice system can't cave just because someone yells loud enough. If we let that happen, courts would turn into playgrounds for entitled people. So, what do you think? Should she serve all 90 days, or should she get another chance? Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you next time.